Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll share you how to change profile picture on Spotify. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, first thing first, of course, you have to open your Spotify apps. And in this home page, you have to tap settings. That's the leader gear icon at the top right in the corner of your screen. And next, tap on view profile. And in this page, you have to tap on edit profile under your display name. Then select change photo. Here I don't use any profile picture, just tap on change photo. After that, in this pop-up you can choose from library if you have take photo, but if it is not yet, you have to tap on take photo. Here I'm gonna select choose from library, and then choose the picture you wanna use. Match it. If you have done, tap on choose in the bottom right in the corner. And it's done. And the last, you have tap on save to save your photo. This uploading, you have to wait. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.